Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today you're going to complete a summative assessment. We are finished with our unit on reading arguments. You've all done such a great job. In fact, you practiced for this last week with the argument topic, Are Athletes Overpaid? So in just scrolling down and looking at this summative, you'll see it's a lot like that one. We have an argument, two sides that you need to read. Underneath it is a table for you to identify different parts of arguments and fill in with quotes from the two sides. You'll be looking for the central claim of each of the sides of the argument. Two pieces of evidence in each box. Two pieces of evidence for the yes side, two pieces of evidence for the no. You're going to find the counter-argument and rebuttal to the counter-argument in here. You can kind of put them both in. You can put in the counter-argument and then the rebuttal for Vanessa's side, one of the authors, and the counter-argument and the rebuttal for Principal McKay. So what we have today, I'm just going to go back up. Our argument is, should gum be allowed in school? We have on the yes side, we have chewing gum helps many, hurts none. And the yes side is going to be a letter to the principal written by Vanessa. And then the no side is the return letter to Vanessa from the principal. No gum at school, no thanks. So you'll see the principal's response right here. Okay, so our two articles, I'm going to have you guys read, think of the evidence for each side, see if you can find the rebuttal, the counter-argument and rebuttal. The claim's pretty easy. It kind of tells us the claim right in our topics here. So in our table, you're going to fill in yes side of the letter from Vanessa, going down this column. Okay, again, her claim, what she's trying to convince the principal of, two pieces of evidence for her side and the counter argument and rebuttal, and then you're going to do the no side, Principal McKay's response. Okay, underneath, one more thing we need to do. Everyone, let's look at this. Highlight right here which side you feel has a stronger argument, the yes side, Vanessa's, or the no, Principal McKay. Please highlight your choice and then use that side of the argument to fill in the table below. You guys have done this 2 or 3 times. You should be able to do that. Remember, when you fill this part in right here, their evidence is relevant because think, what does relevant mean? Look, it's right here for you up here. Please use the vocabulary. You're going to need relevant. You're going to need the definition of sufficient, and you're going to need the definition for sound reasoning. Okay, you'll need those definitions because if you look at your paragraph, again, you have a question about relevant evidence. You've got a question about their evidence is sufficient because, and their reasoning is sound because. Use your definitions. And that is it for today. Good luck with summative. I know you guys can do it. You're definitely prepared. You've done a lot of work for this. And I will score them as soon as I get them tomorrow. Thank you very much.